Hello, I'm Sean Ward, and I want to welcome you to the F1 Student Visa Interview course and also congratulate you. Congratulations on all your hard work so far. In my travels as an English language teacher, I've met thousands of international students who all have the same dream, to come to the USA to further their education. I understand how difficult it is to get accepted and move here for your education, and you should be proud that you've made it this far. And right now, you're probably getting ready, or soon you will be ready, to move to the USA and start your first day of classes. And I also want to congratulate you for being smart. You purchased this course, so you know there is still one important obstacle that can keep you from coming here and starting your education. You must show up and pass a face-to-face interview in English with a consular officer and explain several very important things to them, or your student visa can be denied. What things do you need to explain in your interview? Well, I wrote this course to give you the exact information you need to prepare for and provide just what the consular officer needs to know, so you will be approved. This course will show you how to prepare for your interview, how to get organized, what questions you can expect, and exactly what you should bring with you to your interview, what it will be like in the consulate where you will have your interview, what documentation you must bring, and most importantly, what you should make sure you say and what you want to make sure you don't say in your interview. There's also information on what to do if you're denied. It does not always mean you can't come here to the USA for your education. Before each chapter, there are helpful videos letting you know what you will be learning next, along with detailed questions at the end that will make sure you understand the most important points. When you finish this course, you will know exactly how to prepare and present yourself in a positive and professional manner, explain your unique situation as a student visa applicant, and most importantly, get approved for your student visa. Good luck to you, and if you have any questions or concerns at any time, feel free to contact me at my website, www.gousavisacenter.com, and I'll get you the answers you need. Thanks again for letting us help you achieve your dreams. And remember, when you're prepared and you're ready, you won't need luck.